Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you've had a wonderful start to the new year, and today it's a very special topic. I believe that many people and businesses struggle with this difficulty, and that is marketing their business. Today we'll be looking at 3 different strategies on what that people can use to market their business. I believe that there are many businesses that struggle with this, and it's basically the last stage of being able to generate sales, and many businesses mess up. So today we'll be looking at 3 different strategies that people can use to market their own products. And I hope you've been enjoying the content that I've been producing, and please make sure that you like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So in total, I'll be talking about 3 marketing strategies today, and number 1 is TikTok advertising. Now, there's quite a few advantages and disadvantages for TikTok advertising that I'll be quickly going over, and let's get straight into that. So TikTok marketing it's very easy to gain followers and views. You can easily promote your businesses and for cheap rates. It barely costs anything to promote your brand to thousands of viewers over TikTok, and you can target a wide audience. It's very cheap to set up. However, there is a concern that I had to face when I was setting up my TikTok account for my chandelier company. Now, what happened was that TikTok lets you set up an age range that you would like to target, but what was happening was that children under the age of 18, what they do is that they want to display an age that's over the age of 18, so they put incorrect ages in. So what was happening was that I was getting clicks on my ads, but that was just 10-year-olds clicking on my ads, and that led to me generating less sales than I could have if TikTok didn't have to go through this problem in the first place. Now, the second way to market your business is influencer marketing. Although it could be expensive whilst we're getting started. Now, the second way to promote your business is through influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is when you hire social media personalities, also known as influencers, to promote your products. Now, this can be expensive whilst we're getting started, but it could lead to a high volume of sales, but that will only happen if the influencer aligns with your products. So what I mean by that is that let's say you're selling a day trading course and you want to hire Mr. Beast. Well, that doesn't align properly, because Mr. Beast, the viewers of Mr. Beast are mostly 10 to 15-year-olds, and it will just be difficult for them to purchase a day trading course. They probably don't know what day trading is in the first place. So yeah, you need to make sure that your product aligns with the influencer that you'll be using to promote your products. So that was number 2. I hope it's been helpful so far, and now let's jump on to number 3. I think small businesses would prefer a cost-effective method compared to an expensive method when it comes to marketing, just because of the low budget that they may have whilst they're starting up. So number 3 will be a cost-effective method, and that is email marketing. Email marketing is where you collect email addresses of your customers and you send targeted emails of different campaigns, and it could lead to a few purchases. And it's very cost-effective. It costs you less than $100 to send emails to thousands of people. Now, even if you generate 2 or 3 sales, you've broken even, and it's a very cost-effective method, and it's something that I would really recommend. It's probably the best out of all of them, and I believe it's the most underrated method. Even if you get 10 customers per email that you send out, that's still you making 10x profit on what you've spent on creating those emails and sending it out to them. So yeah, that's my 3rd method, and that's the end of today's video. It was another short video, but I'm going to try and upload daily. It's going to be these short videos, these snappy videos where you just watch and just get on with your life, do something else. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video as well. I hope you have a wonderful start to your new year. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.